Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. First, we cut the end of the green onions. Now, slice the white part diagonally. Cut the green part into about 2-inch pieces. Now time to trim the fat of the beef. Time to slice the beef. Time to marinate the beef. Add cornstarch, chicken powder, salt, and oil. Now we mix well. Let's mix the sauce. Add dark soy sauce, sugar, salt, soy sauce, and mix. Add oil into the hot pan. Add the beef. Cook until brown. Now we take the beef out of the pan. Add some more oil. Add white part of the onion and noodles. Add the bean sprout. Beef, sauce, and green part of the onions. Remove from the heat and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. The noodle is soft. The beef is very tender. It is savory. And you can taste the onion. Cooked perfectly. It's really good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。